your back, knees bent, feet supported. It will be for all the exercises in this part. Please do everything right, and let's start with diaphragmatic breathing. Twice. The knees move sideways from the midline of the body. Lift the pelvis, tighten the gluteal muscles, thighs together. Hold the position for 2 seconds. Then in the starting position, relax and repeat 5 times. Diaphragmatic breathing, the hands at the waist, repeat twice. With the both hands, move the right knee closer to the abdomen, then the starting position. The right foot supported. Repeat 5 times. Then, with the both hands, move the left knee closer to the abdomen, then the starting position, and left foot supported. Repeat 5 times. Bring the right knee closer to the abdomen, then stretch the leg straight. The heel is leading, then bend your knee again and bring closer to your abdomen. Repeat 5 times, then starting position, and all the same with the left leg. The left arm bent U-shaped, the right arm on the support surface parallel the head. Stretch the right arm in the direction of the left knee. The upper body is lifted. The head follows the movement of the right arm, then starting position. The right arm bent U-shaped, the left arm on the support surface parallel the head. Stretch the left arm in the direction of the right knee. The upper body is lifted. The head follows the movement of the left arm, and then starting position. Diaphragmatic breathing, the hands on the waist twice times. Then the hands on the clavicle twice. The arms parallel to the body, rotate them in the shoulder joints, inward and outward twice. The arms bent U-shaped. Turn your head to the left and the knees to the right, then head to the right and the knees to the left. 5 times on each side. Bring the right knee closer to the abdomen with your hands. Hold the position for 3 seconds, then starting position, and then repeat with left knee 3 times on each side. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. Twice on each position. The hands vertically up and shake them. Then lift the right leg and shake it. Then lift up the left leg and shake it. These exercises are complete. I hope you feel good, I will continue, and in other starting positions will be exercises and for various health problems. Are you ready to continue? I am ready to continue. Let's to do it together. Till next time.